Welcome back. If GSIDC had to retain coal block at Chhattisgarh rather than giving it to the power developer KSK Energy, Goa wouldn't have lost it. This is what the Curtorim MLA Aleixo Reginaldo Lourenco says. Alex reacted to the Supreme Court's recent verdict on the coal block. He has also blamed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for this mess. The opposition MLA has asked Parrikar-led government to come clean on this issue.
Goa has lost its coal block because of the zero tolerance to corruption. Government went to bed with a private company called SKS Energy for the last 2.5 years. Central government has given this coal block for free to GSIDC, a government-run company, to enable people of Goa to benefit the abundant power generated from this coal. The coal reserve, over 715 acres of land valued at almost 7,500 crores, as estimated by CAG, of which is now lost because of government doling out the same coal block to a private company instead of retaining it for self-consumption. In other words, if the coal block was run by the state, by the GSIDC, today we would have not lost that block. Now the people of Goa will lose, and not only that, an uninterrupted power also will be supplied to Goa. Now it is up to Parrikar, the Chief Minister of Goa, as to how he will make good the huge losses he has inflicted on the people of Goa by coming to power with the promise to undo all errors of the past. Nothing he is speaking, there is nothing coming clean. He says the Supreme Court decision is clean, is a good decision. He said it is a wise, fantastic decision. He says also that the government has to just modify, amend, act, like how he says in the Mining Act, but nothing is coming out. In the assembly he spoke of that Goa will lose power and that Goa will suffer, Goa industries will suffer. Now he says nothing. We will just import. Why this double face of the Chief Minister? Why he says that it's no big deal now? I challenge, my demand is that I challenge the government to come clean on this deal. Be transparent. Give all the sequence of events which led to giving to SKS, which led to even renewing the deal.
With Margao municipality removing all dustbins from Margao city, people have started dumping their garbage in the neighbouring villages. Residents of Banavlim claim that residents of Varka and Kolva dump garbage in the area. The garbage dumped on Friday had remains of 40-50 jumping chicken. Now the Banavlim Sarpanch has warned culprits of penalty if found littering in their village.
After Margao municipality moved for door-to-door garbage collection, residents of villages have started dumping garbage in their neighbouring villages. Residents of Banavli say this has become an everyday story.
सगळे कोलवाचे आणि सुरालेचे वारका गांव आमगे इथं उडयता कित्या एंट्री मारगांव हें जाता हे सगळे मारगांव वचपा हिंगा ते सगळे हिंग उडयता सो आतां आमी हे बिका लास्ट विकाक 8 जाणां सुमार दवरल्या आनी आमी तांकां फायन मारताय आनी एरिया आहा ती आख्खी क्लीन करून घेताय आनी हे जाता बेगीन तेमी लोकांक कोणी मुगे मागणी आहाय हें करप स्टॉप करपा रस्त्या सायडीन उडोवपा ते आम ऑलरेडी तुमगे आहा जाल्यार आमगे गांवचो लोकांक मागणी आहा तर हें कोण दिनाय जाल्यार गार्बेज आमगे रिक्षा येता एवरी वीक आमी हें कोताय कलेक्टर लोकांक दिवचो
ही गार्बेज पळय लोक कोलवाचो जावं मारगांव जावं मुंगूल ही पळय मडगांव डस्टबीन उडयताले आतां ती मडगांव डस्टबीन काडले म्हणून सगळे लोक हिंगा आमगे थोडे बनार उडयता हे आमगे बाणाले थोडे ऑल्टोल म्हणटाले हिंग जायतीं शाडकां बी जाताय आनी हे लोक हिंगे भायल लोक येवन आमगे गार्बेज सगळे आमी थोडे उडयताय सो हांव मागता ही मातशें तें बंद करचें आनी मारगांव जे दिसांनी डस्टबीन बंद केलें ते दिसा लोक हिंगा चड उडयता.
Ironically, the garbage that was dumped along the roads in Banavli had in it the waste and remains of almost 40 to 50 frogs. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.